Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids can learn a lot from this video. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, white color and black color. Now you coloring ABC alphabets A to Z. So kids, please watch the full video. And first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use yellow color. D. D for dog, D for doll, and again use yellow color. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use red color. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use green color. Green color, the alphabets of H. I. I for ice, I for ice cream, and again use green color, the alphabets of I. Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use white color, the alphabets of J. Kids again use white color and draw K. K for kite, K for king, the alphabets of K. Kids neither L. L for lion, L for lemon, the alphabets of L, and use black color. Black color. M. M for moon, M for mango, the alphabets of M, and again use black color. Kids neither N. N for nose, N for nest, the alphabets of N. Kids neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, the alphabets of O, and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of O, and use blue color. O for orange, O for octopus. P. P for parrot, P for penguin, the alphabets of P. Kids neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quail, the alphabets of Q, and use yellow color. Yellow color. R. R for rose, R for rice, the alphabets of R, and again use yellow color. Kids, now draw S. S for sun, S for snake, the alphabets of S, and use red color. Red color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger, the alphabets of T. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, the alphabets of U, and use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, the alphabets of V. Kids, now draw W. W for wallet, W for watch, and use white color. White color. Kids, again use white color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, the alphabets of X. Kids, now draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, the alphabets of Y, and use black color. Black color. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, the alphabets of Z, and again use black color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.